Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi and I want to review this toner by First Aid Beauty. It's called Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydration Toner by First Aid Beauty. I've been using this now for the past couple of weeks, and so I feel confident enough to come on here and share my experience with this product. So this is a 6-ounce bottle, and for 6 ounces this currently retails at Sephora or the First Aid Beauty website for like $22. The shelf life is 12 months. And the claims of this product is that it's alcohol free, it is good for sensitive skin, it soothes and nourishes the skin, and also what I personally like is that it's fragrance free. This also has alpha hydroxide, and the way I have been using it is wash my face. So after I wash my face, I just shake the bottle and then put some on my hand and then just dab it or rub it on my face and let it dry and soak into my skin like that, because I just want the benefits from the ingredients, because I find the ingredients to be really good and beneficial to the skin. That's why. And also I feel if I were to use the cotton, like it would absorb the product and therefore waste product. So I just cleanse my face and use this, just put it on my face with my fingers. I don't really use it like a toner, I guess, like a traditional way of using toner where you put it on a cotton, wipe it all over your face and stuff. I don't use it that way. I just put it on my hand and dab it on and let it dry and soak into my skin. That's the way I've been using it, and using it that way is really hydrating, and it's really I noticed that it leaves my skin feeling really soft. And I also, what I love about this product is that it doesn't break me out. I love any product that does not break me out, and this one is one of them. I don't use it every day because I use my acelaic acid. I usually switch between my acelaic acid and this. When I want to give the skin on my face a rest, I will use this because this is just soothing. It has the oats and it's just phenomenal for my face. My skin really likes this product, and yeah, I really like it and will continue to use it the way I mentioned it. I just wanted to stop by and talk about this amazing toner because I think it's really good. And $22, it might seem a little bit pricey, but considering what it does and the ingredients that it has, I think it's a really good price. And if you use it the way I use it, it's going to last longer because you're not wasting product using the cotton. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.